Hello everyone, welcome back to OrangeCap. Today I am unboxing the Prada PRA14V prescription frame. This is from Smartbuyglasses. Let's dive into the luxurious eyewear experience. Now first, let's take a look at the secured packaging. Smartbuyglasses made sure that these frames arrived safely. Inside, we have a sleek Prada case which feels as luxurious as it looks. And here it is, the Prada frame. Its features are elegant, the design is iconic, and it has the Prada branding and a premium acetate build. Now, while the frame looks good, I did notice a couple of things. First, they are a bit heavier than I expected, which might be something to consider if you are using a lighter eyewear. And the second thing is they tend to slip on my nose occasionally, which might need some adjustment to fit perfectly. Overall, these frames are stylish and well crafted, but they may not suit everyone's needs. At $359, they are an investment, so make sure they meet your comforts. If you find this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share to OrangeCap. Thanks for watching and see you next time.